We have a treat today. I am joined with Alex Spector. You're a legacy in this last mile space. Still fairly new, but got some experience in your belt. Welcome to the CLDA. It's your first time?
Thank you. It's my first time.
So far, so good.
Yes.
What do you think?
I really like it. I feel like it's been really easy to talk to people, go up to anyone. It's been really nice.
It's a good community. People are very willing to share. I've been around it for many years, but even going back to my first time, probably 18 years ago, same thing. I was surprised at how willing people were to share. Even competitors sometimes, you're competing, but I think that's one of the powerful things about this community, that people want to help the industry and it creates the value of what we're doing.
I've been a younger person here, at least one of the younger, at least females as well on the floor. So it's been interesting going up and talking to other females, other younger people. There's a couple other younger girls and younger men here. I thought that was really interesting. It's a space that's dominated by an older crowd, an older group.
Did you go to the Women in Logistics luncheon?
I didn't, but I talked to another salesperson here, a woman named Amanda, and she went, and she said it was really great. So something I'll do next year when I come.
Make sure we have. So your role at Dropoff is what?
I was an SDR, now I'm phasing into an account executive, AE.
So sales focused.
Sales focused.
What is the number one challenge you face in your role today?
There are a couple things, but the thing that comes to mind is if it can be possible. A lot of people come to us, which is great. We have a really steady flow of inbounds and people wanting to get a delivery done, whether it's a company, whether it's just someone who needs something delivered from point A to point B. But hard out there. It really is interesting seeing what city we're in, what city they're in, if it can happen, the distances, better understanding what they need delivered. I think that's been really interesting. And it's cool because we do want to help everyone. It's just about can we. So I feel like there's a lot of interesting things when it comes to that.
Speaking of interesting things, we just came out of a panel discussion talking about AI and robotics and all the things happening. You mentioned a younger person here. I think one of the things that I appreciated about newer people coming into the industry, they come with a fresh lens and perspective. What do you think about the future of last mile, given all the changes and things you see on the horizon?
Being in Austin and growing up and living in Austin, I feel like I've seen the first hand look at autonomous vehicles, and honestly I've seen all the phases of being on a college campus and seeing the small delivery robots delivering food to people in the library studying. So I've seen all the small things trickle in. I've been in a Waymo to Uber somewhere or go somewhere. So I think autonomous vehicles are the future, whether it's in 5 years, whether it's in 10 years, like the panel said. It's really interesting though. I thought it was really, really interesting seeing the autonomous drones picking up and delivering. The fact that something can be delivered in your backyard while you're sitting on your couch is insane.
What about the robot that was washing the dishes and placing them in the dishwasher? Even when it got the dishwasher pod out the cabinet,
wild.
I was like, that's pretty wild.
That will never happen in my home. I literally looked at the person next to me and said, that would really scare me. That would be so scary to see.
What are they doing at night when you're sleeping?
Oh my God.
I don't want Alexa in my house. I don't want Siri in my house.
You probably have to plug them in yourself. That sounds terrible. I think autonomous vehicles, and I think that's going to be the next wave. I feel like that'll start in Austin within the next couple of years, honestly.
Well, thank you for being here. Thank you for coming on the mini episode. Thanks for being inside the CLDA conference. We need your voice and your perspective, so it's a pleasure to sit down with you. Thank you. We're out. Alex Spector. Thank you. All right, check this out. If you're in the last mile delivery industry, we have created something that's just for you. We've called it the last to first huddle, or the L2F huddle. We can come into an ecosystem, a community built for the last mile by the last mile. Now, you'll be able to get access to educational courses, right? Playbooks, as I call them. We build playbooks teaching you everything from A to Z in the last mile industry. Everything from how to set your right driver model, to how to navigate misclassification issues, to how to find customers, how to price that work, how to operate it, all the way through to if you want to buy a company, how do you value those businesses. We also have an AI tool called Ask Miles. Miles will answer any how-to question about the industry. I've personally trained it myself. It's pretty damn good. And then also, we're about community. So you're going to access coaches, experts. We have film studies or weekly calls. You'll be able to deep dive into workshops. Look, this is the place to be if you're in the last mile industry. L2Fhuddle.com. I'll see you inside. It's time to huddle up. Let's do it.